Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Daud Hussain and you're watching Infotech channel. In today's video I'll teach you how to install VMware player in your Windows 7, 8 or 10. So first of all, download the software which I have given a link in the video description below. After downloading the software, go to the root folder of your software. Okay, this is VMware player. Right click on open. Yes. Okay, click on next. Apply check to this option. Next, 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 and install. So just wait for until it's complete. Okay, remember guys, this is the first step to install VMware player. I mean, after installing this software, you will be able to install in this software Windows 7, 8 or 10 or Windows Server or any program like that. So this is the first step to install this software. To install this software or using this software, this is the first initial step. Okay, click on finish, it's complete. And this is VMware player. Right click, open. I'll show you the interface of the software. Okay, this is the interface of VMware player. In my next video I'll teach you how to install Windows Server 8 in VMware software. If you want more, so you can visit my website, which is ithome12.blogspot. Here you can find more useful stuff like tips and tricks about Android mobile, Android apps, games, earning money sources, method, and much more. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you guys and have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.